This is my recipe. Here's a fast breakfast. These are the ingredients to make some coffee. Waters, vanilla or sugar. Coffee. 1. Water in a container depending of the amount you want. 2. Introduce the panel. 3. Let it boil and pour the coffee. 4. Is off and cover. 5. Finally, allow it to stand and serve. To make some delicious eggs. Ingredients: eggs, butter, oil, salt. 1. On the skillet, let the melted butter on hot oil. 2. While we both beat the eggs in bowl and put salt to taste. 3. Eggs are light in the skillet and let are cooked according to the tasted and ready. 4. Finally serve it. Thank